Hey everyone, welcome to our exciting series on time and distance. In this series, we will explore essential concept formulas and smart tricks to help you tackle speed, time, and distance problem. So let's grab your notebook, stay engaged, and let's dive into it. Okay, our first sum is a runner can complete a 750-meter race in 2.5 minutes. Will he able to beat another runner who runs at 17.95 km per hour? So, let's go through the problem step by step to determine if runner can beat the second runner. Let's understand the given data first. First runner has completes 750 meter in 2.5 minutes. Second runner runs at constant speed, that is 17.95. Our goal is to compare the speeds. Who is faster? As we all know, the formula of speed is distance by time. Let's convert time into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, we convert 2.5 into 60. We got 150 seconds as an output. Let's calculate the speed in meter per second unit. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance value is 750 meters and time is 150 seconds. If we cancel out, we will get 5 meters per second as an output. Let's convert speed of first runner into kilometer per hour so that we can compare. 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 km per hour. As we all know, on this formula, by substituting 5 meter per second into this, we will get an output. So, 5 into 18 by 5, we get 5 got cancelled, so we got 18 km per hour. So, our output of first runner speed is 18 km per hour. That's it. Let's compare the values. Second runner speed is 17.95. If we compare both the values, we will came to know like runner 1 is faster than runner 2. That's it. Let's jump into the another sum. A man decided to cover a distance of 6 km in 84 minutes. He decided to cover 2/3 of distance at 4 km per hour and the remaining at some different speed. Find the speed after 2/3 distance has been covered. Let's understand the given data first. Total distance is 6 km. Total time is 84 minutes. 2/3 of distance covered at speed is 4 km per hour. The remaining 1/3 of distance is unknown. We have to find it. So we need to find the speed at 1/3 of distance. So let's calculate the distance covered at 4 km per hour. Since man covers 2/3 of total distance at 4 km, we can calculate 2/3, that is 2 by 3 into 6. We got is equal to 4 km. So 4 km is covered at 4 km per hour. Let's calculate the time taken for first 4 hours using the formula of time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 4 and speed is 4. If we cancel out, we will get 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes are used to cover first 4 hours. Let's determine the remaining distance and time. Since total distance is 6 km and the remaining distance is 6 minus 4, we got 2 km. As per the given data, the total time available 84 minutes. Time already used is 60 minutes. So, if we subtract these two values, we will get 84 minus 60 is equal to 24 minutes is the time remaining. So, let's convert 24 minutes to hours. If we convert minutes to hours, we have to divide by 60. So, 24 divided by 60 is equal to 2 by 5 hours. We got an output of 2 by 5 hours. Let's calculate the required speed then. As we all know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 2 and time is 2 by 5. If we reciprocal it, 2 into 5 by 2, we got 2 get cancelled, we got 5 km per hour. So our final answer is the speed required for the remaining distance is 5 km per hour. Let's jump into next sum. A postman traveled from his post office to a village in order to distribute mail. He started on his bicycle from post office at speed of 25 km per hour. But when he was about to return, a thief stole his bicycle. As a result, he had to walk back to the post office on foot at speed of 4 km. If the traveling part of his day lasted for 2 hours and 54 minutes. Find the distance between the post office and village. It was like a tricky question. Let's solve it. Let's understand the given data. The postman traveled to the village on bicycle at 25 km per hour. On his way back, he walked 4 km because of his bicycle was stolen. So the total time for entire journey was 2 hours and 54 minutes. So we need to find distance between post office and village. Let's define a variable. Let d can be the distance between post office and village in one way. The time taken to travel to village at 25 km per hour is equal to distance d by 25 hours. Time taken to walk back at 4 km per hour, that is d, distance by 4 hours. Total time for both trips is equal to, we know, 2 hours and 54 minutes. Let's convert this into hours. 54 divided by 60. If we want to convert minutes to hours, means we have to put divided by 60. That's why. So we got an output of 0.9 hours. So the total time is 2 plus 0.9. We know 2.9 hours as a total. Let's create an equation. D by 25 plus d by 4 is equal to 2.9. Let's solve for d as we found the equation for this. First, we have to do LCM for 25 and 4, which is 100. We can rewrite this into fractions. 4d by cross multiplying this. We get 4d by 100 plus 25d by 100 is equal to 2.9. We get 4d plus, as denominator was same, numerator can be added. 4d plus 25d by 100 is equal to 2.9. If we add 4d plus 25d, we get 29d, right? So 29d by 100 is equal to 2.9. Let's multiply 100 so that we get an output of d. 29d is equal to 2.9 into 100 is 290, right? So d is equal to 10 is an output. So we got a conclusion. The distance between the post office and the village is 10 km. Jump into another sum related to average speed. During the onward journey from Bombay to Pune, Deccan Speed travels at an average speed of 80 km per hour. While on return journey, the train is able to average a speed of 100 km per hour. What is the average speed of train on the entire journey? Let's understand the given data. Onward journey from Bombay to Pune. The given as speed is equal to 100 km and distance is unknown, so we are keeping it as d. Return journey is from Pune to Bombay, speed is 100 km and distance is d. So let's find an average speed of entire journey. By using the average speed formula, is average speed is equal to 2 into s1 into s2 divided by s1 plus s2. Let's say s1 is 80 onward speed and s2 is 100 km per hour return speed. Substitute the values. Average speed is equal to 2 into 80 into 100. As we know, s1 is 80 and s2 is 100 divided by 80 plus 100. Let's substitute. 2 into 80 into 100 is 8000 divided by 80 plus 100 is 180. We further simplifying this, 16,000 divided by 180. Further simplifying this, so we get 88.89 km. So we got an output of average speed of train for entire journey is 88.89 km per hour. Let's jump into another sum. Raju hikes up a hill at 4 km per hour and comes down at 6 km per hour. If a total time taken for the total journey is 3.5 hours, what was the distance between hilltop and foothills? So we have to calculate the distance of mountain. Let's understand the given data. Speed while hiking up is 4 meter per hour and speed while coming down is 6 meter per hour. Total time for entire journey is 3.5 hours. Distance for one way, let's say d miles, as distance is unknown. We need to find the value for d to find the solution. Let's use the time formula. As we all know, time is equal to distance by speed. Time taken to hike up is d by 4 hours and time taken to come down is d by 6 hours. Total time for journey, let's compose this as an equation. D by 4 plus D by 6 is equal to 3.5. Let's solve for D. For this we have to do an LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12. By rewriting the fractions we will get 3D by 12 plus 2D by 12 is equal to 3.5. As the denominator or same, numerators can be added. Using that, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5D by 12 is equal to 3.5. Let's multiply both sides by 12 to get an output. If we multiply both sides, we get 5D is equal to 3.5 into 12. And further simplifying this, 5D is equal to 42. And if we put this 5 to another side, D is equal to 42 by 5. If we cancel out, we get D is equal to 8.4. So we got a conclusion of the distance between hilltop and foothills is 8.4 miles. Thanks for watching.